Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course. In this video, we'll be covering syllabus topic E1, which is about number, module E1.1, part 4. So in this video, we will be doing exercise 6 of chapter number 1, which is of number from mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE, written by David Rayner. Okay, so let's start exercise 6 of chapter number 1. In question number 1, it says which of the following numbers are rational. So you are given with the number from part A to part L, and you have to decide whether they are rational or irrational. So in A part, it is pi over 2. If you type pi in your calculator, it will be non-terminating, non-repeating pattern. It means pi is an irrational number. So pi over 2 makes an irrational altogether, right? I'm using the tick for the rational and crosses for the irrational. Number 5. Now under root of 5. 5 is a non-square number. It means under root 5 will be an irrational number. And here under root 17 whole square. Now guys, whenever you have chance to solve any of the rational irrational sum, try to make it a little bit more easy for you to understand. Now in here, square and under root will cancel out each other, and you're left with only 17, and 17 is an integer, and according to definition 17 is a rational number. Under root 3 is a non-square number once again, so it is an irrational number. 3.14, it is a terminating, it means it is ending here, so according to definition it is a rational number. Okay, here's a quick challenge for you. It's a part F, and you have to decide whether under root 12 over under root 3 is a rational or irrational. Just pause this video and go for it. Right, I hope you managed to do that. So because both numerator and denominator are in square root, so you can move in single square root or single under root. It will be 12 over 3. So 3 4s are 12, so it is 4 under root. 4 under root is 2, which is a rational number. So it means overall under root 12 or under root 3 is a rational number. In part G says pi squared, so pi is an irrational number. Making square doesn't make any difference, so it's still is an irrational number. Now in here you need to solve out to see what number you come out. So it is 1 over 3. It is 1 over 3 square means 9. So taking the LCM is 9. So 3 3s are 9. So it will be 3 plus 1. So it is 4 over 9. So 4 is an integer, 9 is an integer, so it is a rational number. So it means that this number is a rational number. In here you can write 1 over 7 under root, right? 7 under root non-square number, it's an irrational number, so overall it's an irrational number. 22 over 7, 22 is an integer, 7 is an integer, so it is a rational number. Under root 2, 2 is a non-square number, under root 2 overall is a irrational number, plus 1 doesn't make any difference, so overall is an irrational number. So in question number 2 part C, it says find a rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. Now under root 2 equals to 1.414 and so on. Under root 3 is 1.732 and so on. So you're looking for a rational number between these two numbers. So there will be multiple options of this question. So you can write like 1.5 is one of the answer, 1.6 one of the answer, and 1.7 one of the answer, and so on, because all these three numbers lie between them two, 1.414 and 1.732, and they are of course terminating decimal number, so all these three are rational numbers. So any of these answer will be considered as a right answer. Question number 2 part D is exactly the same as we have just did in the part C. In question number 3 part A, it says for each shape you have to calculate the parameter, and you have to tell whether this parameter is rational or irrational. The shapes are, one is a right angle triangle and the other is square. So let's take the parameter of triangle first, T for triangle. So we know that in parameter you have to add all the sides, so it will be under root 3 plus 3 plus 2, so it will be 5 plus under root 3. As we know that under root 3 is a non-square number, so it is irrational number. Adding 5 won't any difference, so it means that perimeter of a triangle is an irrational number. Now perimeter of square, as for square, so we know the square all four sides are equal, so you can write under root 5 plus under root 5 plus under root 5 and plus under root 5. So we have added the under root 5 four times, so it will be 4 into under root 5. So under root 5 once again is an irrational number. Multiplying 5 won't make any difference, so it will be still an irrational number. So in B part it says you have to calculate the area, and then you have to decide either the area of each of these shapes is rational or irrational. So first of all, let's calculate the area of triangle. We know that for area of the right angle triangle it is 1 over 2 into base into height. So base is 2, height is 3, so 2 and 2 will cancel out, and we have left with 3. So 3 is a rational number. In the same way, area of square is the length into width, so it is under root 5 into under root 5, so it will be under root 5 whole square. Square and root cancel out each other, and you have left with 5, and 5 is a rational number. So in the next video we will solve question number 4 to question number 7. So see you there.